Hey guys, how's it going? Now, 2018 is well underway, and I definitely feel like 2018 is definitely going to be the year of smart home and smart home tech. So, what I have in front of me is a pretty standard looking power bar, except for the fact that it does have four USB ports right at the top, which is great because a lot of my older model power bars don't. But what makes this power bar unique is that it's actually a smart power bar, meaning you can control it right from your phone. So if you want to control this power bar using your phone, it's actually very easy. The first thing you gotta go do is download an app called Smart Life. So let me open up the App Store right now and type it in Smart Life, and there it is. Now I already have this app installed on my phone, but obviously if you don't, you need to install it first. So once the app is installed on your phone, we're gonna now open it up. So once the app opens up, you'll actually get a screen like this, and you're going to be clicking on the plus sign in the top right hand corner. This will bring up a list of various different devices that you can connect to. We have a power bar, which is essentially an electrical outlet, so we're going to click on that. Now you'll get a screen that tells you to make sure that the device is actually on and that the LED is blinking rapidly, which will put it in pairing mode. So the first thing you gotta do is plug in the power bar. And once we do, you'll see this blue LED light that will blink rapidly, basically indicating that it's in pairing mode. So now that we know that the LED is blinking rapidly, now we just basically go back to the app and click on connect. And it will go through the connecting process, and it'll take a moment or two, but it will pair up to the power bar. And there we go. The app has synced up to the power bar, and that was really fast. So now on the app, you can see that you have one control for the four USB ports, and you have four additional controls for each of the four power sockets. And you can see around the bottom, you have this all on or all off button. And that simply just lets you control the whole power bar with just one button if you wish. Now let's test out the app and see if it actually does work. I got a power bank and a Bluetooth speaker hooked up to this power bar. So let's try this out and let's see if we can get these two items to charge by just controlling it with the app. Now the Bluetooth speaker is hooked up to socket 1. So when I click on socket 1, you can see that the speaker just starts charging. As you can tell, the red LED light is on, indicating that it's charging. And when I click off with the app, it does stop charging. So we know that works. Now let's click on socket 4 to see if it's going to charge up the battery bank. And when I click on it, and there we go, you can see that the battery bank is charging. So you can totally control this by just using the app alone. You can also set a timer with this app. So it's great if you go on vacation, you can set a timer and have certain lights turn on and off throughout the day. You can also change the name, so you don't call these switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, so forth. So let's switch up the name and let's call it speaker. All right, and now that we named the speaker, let's see if it actually will charge the speaker again. All right, and it charges, so there you go. Yes, you can. The app has built-in support for both Amazon Alexa and Google Home, and I'll show you how to set this up through your Alexa app. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch the Alexa app. Then we're going to click on the top left-hand corner, and we're going to select on skills. Once you do that, you're going to get a search field, and on the top of the search field, we're going to type in the name of the app, which is Smart Life. So let me type that in. Okay, and there it is. So now we're going to click on Smart Life. And now we click on Enable, and then it's going to ask us to either log in or register a new account first. And once you've gone ahead and done that, you click on Authorize. And once you click on Authorize, you'll get a message like this, and we click on Done. And now we're going to click on Discover Devices. And now it's going to search for the power bar and the USB ports and each of the different switches. Now it's going to take a moment or two to discover all the devices. And once it's done, you're going to get a screen like this where it shows you all the different switches. And you can see switch 1 that we renamed to speaker. So now we can control this power bar through the Alexa app. So let's click on speaker, and now it says that plug is off. So when you click on it, it now shows plug is on. And if you look at the red LED light on the speaker, it turns on. And now if we click on it again, it shows plug is off. And you can see the red LED light on the speaker turns off, showing that it's not charging anymore. But here's the fun part. We can totally control this power bar by just using our voice. Alexa, turn on speaker. And there you go. Alexa has turned on switch 1, which is renamed as speaker, and the speaker is charging. Alexa, turn off speaker. And Alexa has turned it off, and the speaker is no longer charging. And of course, you don't always have to use the app. You can still control the power bar the typical way by hitting the power button, and it'll turn the power bar either on or off. But what's great is, let's say you're sitting across the room and you want to turn on the lamp, you can simply just pull out your phone, open up the app, and turn the power bar on that way. Or if you're not home yet and it's getting late, you can turn on lights around the house by simply using this power bar and the Smart Life app. Hope this video was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.